How to convert stroke to outline in Adobe Illustrator. To show you this, I've prepared this circle right here. And as you can see, it's one continuous line with a fixed stroke applied to it. If I go up here to view and choose outline mode, you will see it's a simple line. Now, if the way we convert this is I select this and then I go to object right here, and now I choose path and outline stroke. Now this turns the line into a fill with separate strokes. And if I go back here to view and choose outline, as you can see, it's turned the line into an object with two different lines. And that's how you convert strokes to outline in Adobe Illustrator. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.